Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you wanna know what I'm doing? I'm making cheese sticks and chicken strips in the air fryer. Stay tuned. Hi. Okay. So, first, I have taken, I need an egg. 2 eggs, please. Some pork rinds, and I put them into a big gallon baggie, and I just crush them up so they're nice and little. These are all clean, by the way. My dishwasher is not draining. I'm gonna eat one of these.
Linda, that's your paw.
Then I have an egg. Throw this away, please.
Do you need this?
I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's probably not even a tablespoon. That was like a teaspoon. And I'm just gonna use a fork. Get it whisked. We're gonna do the cheese sticks first. Oops. So then, I got a big old thing of string cheese. Well, we absolutely love a good string cheese. Oh, I forgot. Well, we're gonna do a test run. Okay. So we're just gonna do 3 of these cheese sticks, and we're gonna cut them in half and make 6 cheese sticks, and we're gonna see how this turns out. My dog just burped. Y'all, he burped. Let me put these in the egg wash. I am going to do one at a time because I don't know why, just am. And so I kind of had to squeeze this around on here. I don't feel like this is breaded enough. So I've made a mess. I'm going to put them in for like 7 minutes. I'm not sure. Oh no. Put some Parmesan cheese in here. No, they just have to cool. Alright, so my battery died on my camera. So I have some 0% phage yogurt here. And I'm going to take Cheesesticks. Faye. I'm going to take these cheese sticks I cut in half. And I'm going to dip them in here. Let's do one. Oops.
That's disgusting.
There's a plan behind this, Tiffany. And you'll see what it is.
Alexa, how do you spell accidents?
Okay, and then I have them on this graded sheet. I'm going to do all of them, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer for like 20-30 minutes. Okay, so Keto Mama doesn't like to follow directions, and I was supposed to coat these in yogurt and then coat them in the breading, but instead I coated them in yogurt and then put them in the freezer and then coated them in the breading. So I'm going to let them sit again for a little bit, and then I'm going to put them in the flour and then freeze them again, because, you know, that's how I roll. So change of plans for the chicken. I also coated it in some yogurt, and then I made an almond flour mix with salt and pepper, and Chris is calling me a food tyrant because he refuses to try the kind with Greek yogurt on it because he says he knows what he likes. Alright, these may not be pretty, but oh my god, are they delicious. Mmm, yummy.